this video, we are going to solve a story problem using an equation. Here's the problem. Tanya had some money. After she spent $5, she gave half of the remaining money to her mother. At that point, Tanya had $18 left. How much did she start with? Our first step is going to be to define a variable. I'm going to let T be the number of dollars that Tanya started with. So, now that we have that, let's follow the story. Tanya spent $5. So after spending $5, she would have had T minus $5 remaining. She then gave half the remaining money to her mother. If she gives away half, then she keeps the other half. So the amount she had left would be 1/2, T minus 5. The problem tells us that this amount was $18. So we can write 1/2 times T minus 5 is equal to 18. Now, let's solve using some logic. If half of T minus 5 is 18, then T minus 5 should be equal to 36, since half of 36 is 18. Now, what number can we subtract 5 from to get 36? And the answer is 41. 41 minus 5 is 36. So Tanya had $41 at first. And we can check this. If Tanya started with $41 and she spent $5, then she had 41 minus 5, or $36 remaining. She then gave half of the $36 to her mother. Half of 36 is 18. That means she had $18 left. So the answer makes sense. This example shows why equations are useful. The story has several steps, and the unknown amount is at the beginning. An equation helps us represent the relationship between the starting amount and the final amount. There is also a teaching point here. Students may want to work backward, and that is a very good strategy. If Tanya ended with $18 after giving away half, then before giving away half, she had $36. Before spending $5, she had $41. That reasoning matches the equation solving process. As future teachers, it is helpful to show both approaches. Working backwards builds intuition. Writing an equation connects that intuition to algebra. Equations help us represent and solve story problems where an unknown quantity is connected to other quantities through a series of actions.